Don't you just get annoyed every time when you see your videos and they have this flicker in them? Well, the main reason why that usually happens is because you have your shutter speed much higher than the speed in which the light refreshes itself, and that's what's causing all this flickering effect in your videos. So the solution to this is really easy and simple. All you need to do is that you need to make sure that you bring your shutter speed down to at least 1/50th of a second, and it should get rid of that nasty flicker that you see. By the way, just as a side note, there are some lights that may still flicker even after you've adjusted the shutter speed to 1/50th of a second. So if that does ever happen, you would have to play by eye and see for yourself what shutter speed works best for you. But generally the rule of thumb is you need to make your shutter speed lower if ever you have flickering happening in your shots. Okay, so that's my quick tip for today. By the way, if you do feel like you would like to support my channel, please feel free to make a small contribution to our PayPal. Links are in the description below, as well as all the gear used to make these videos too. Thanks so much for tuning into Q-Tips. If you did like what you see, please don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Q-Tips.